Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a Doodle Crate, and I'm really excited to get into this months with you. I sneaked a peek at the title and it sounds really exciting. So if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings like I'm doing today, or to provide you with curriculum ideas or organizational ideas. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button below and let's open this box. So this one this month says it's pencil holders. So sculpt unique pencil holders and paint cool pencils to go in them. That just sounds so exciting to me, and I just know my daughter's gonna love it. So when we open it up, it looks so cute, guys. This is exciting. So right here in the top, I'll hold the picture up so you can see better, but here's our instructions. So these are the little pencil holders right here. They're so cute. I'm very excited for my daughter to do this, as you can tell. So it gives us our instructions in here. This looks like a little fish over here, so another option that you could do. And then it lets you paint the pencils, which sounds cool as well. So that's over there. So we have our pencils here, as they're just the like raw wood color. And that's what's in there. I don't know, this is like a short little guy, but it's not a pencil, so I'm not sure what that's for. We have tons of different paint colors here for them to use. And then this is varnish. So that'll be interesting. Hopefully it does not smell horribly. And then we have a paintbrush. And we have a couple packets of clay right here to make our little holders. And that's what's in the box this month. And I'm just really excited to make this. I just think it looks super fun and my daughter's gonna love it. Hopefully she'll keep her pencils more organized with this. So I'm gonna let her at it and we will let you know how it goes. So Alana just finished her Doodle Crate and she's very excited to show it to you, and I thought it was a lot of fun and a really just exciting craft. So let's hold them up so they can see. So these are her little pencil holders. This one's a rabbit. What's that one?
Turtle.
A turtle, huh? And then she also put a little topper on this pencil that's clay, and is it an owl? Is that what it's supposed to be?
A fennekin.
A fennekin. They love Pokemon, so it's a fennekin. So I thought this project was a lot of fun. It did take lots of time, but not her actually doing anything. It was just drying time. So when we actually made the little creatures here, we just made them at the same time. I think the booklet says at the very end of making the first one, okay, now use the other clay and make another one, but don't do that because then that takes even longer. So just make both of them at the same time so they can dry together and you can paint them together. So this took a long time to dry because it's so thick. So we let it dry for about 24 hours and then she painted them, but then you also get to paint the pencils. So as you can see, the pencils are all painted and they have little stickers you can put on the pencils that are clear. And so then as you paint them, it just paints over the stickers, so then it leaves all these marks that are really cool on the pencils. So that she got to paint, and then you paint if you want to put more detail on these, you have to let that dry and then you paint them, and then you let that dry and then you put the varnish on them. So there was just a lot of kind of downtime when stuff was drying, but it was just a really fun project and I thought it was a great idea, and they turned out so well. They hold pencils way better than I thought they would, and so that was really exciting for us. So here's the picture. She copied the front, obviously.
I chose.
But they had a lot of other options that you could do, and it gives you really good details right here of how to make them and how to make different creatures. And this one, the head did fall off because it was just kind of hard to get it attached to the body. So I just used some hot glue. Yeah, glue gun, like hot glue gun. and just glued his head on. So now he's fine and he's not a headless turtle.
Yeah, he needed surgery.
Yeah, so what was your favorite part, Alana?
Getting to do the design.
Getting to do the design of what? The turtles or the pencils or both?
Both.
Both. Okay, so what was the hardest part?
Trying to get this little stickers off.
Get the stickers off. So after the paint dried for 30 minutes, you're supposed to pull the clear stickers off. So she said that was the hardest part, was trying to get them off, trying to find where they were and not peel the paint off. And I think it was all, like I said, this is very descriptive. It has a lot of good, like it has the pencils here. It has, you get to use the box and stab the pencils into it. So I thought it was a very like clear, thought out project and was just a lot of fun. And it's very, there's your pencil. It's very adaptable to many different age ranges because someone older could make something a little bit more detailed and spend a lot more time painting it, but also was really good for someone younger. So that was a great thing about this crate as well. So please give this video a thumbs up and we will see you next time.
Bye-bye.